crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is day 15 of our 25 days of Christmas. And I thought I would do a pop and twist card. Isn't this just the cutest thing? And he's a little snowman. This idea I got from Maymay Made It, and I'll have her link down below. It'll show her tutorial as well. But just thought I'd show you real quick how I put this together and give you some numbers on it so you can get on it and do one yourself because they are just too cute for words. So what we need to do is take a A4 piece of paper, and that is just it's an 11 by 8.5. What you're going to do is cut off 1/4 of an inch, so it's 10 3/4 by 8.5. Now I'm going to give you the numbers on this very quickly, but I have them written down on the long side. What you want to do is score it at 3 7/8, 5 3/8, 6 7/8. Then you'll want to turn it, and you'll want to score at 2 1/4, 4 1/4, and 6 1/4. Don't fold anything. No folding. Not yet. There is minimal folding in this. Okay, and so then what you want to do, and I just, so you could visualize the lines, because sometimes I can't see lines when people do that, the thing, so I want you to see the lines that I have here. What you're going to do is take out each corner. The rectangled corners, cut them out, and you will be left with this. What that will look like after you take these corners out, you want to just trim about 1/2 inch off of here. And so what that will be is you just take this and you'll cut all 4 of these out, but I'm going to just show you real quick. Now do these very neatly, because you will see this. You will see those lines. And then just take about 1/2 inch off of here. What that is for is so that you can fit your little mittens that we're going to have on here in just a moment. Okay? So this is what it's going to look like. You haven't folded anything yet. No folding yet. What you want to do is to be able to get the mechanism. So how I did that, and Maymay will show you, is take a bone folder, or I like to take my scissors and just put it in that center. Now again, these lines are not, they're only there for your visual. You will have a center score line there and a center score line there. Put it in the middle, and you will take this center score line and match it to this one here. So let me do it on the opposite side. Take that score line and match it to this score line. This is what I already did. I had them all figured out for you here. Okay, so I just drew a line. This is where the center score line is, and take that center score line and match it. Then you want to make sure you take your bone folder and crease it. Match it up, make sure it matches, and crease it. Pull this up. Put your scissors back on that center line, and you'll know when you do this why you have to do that, because the center is important that you get there since you haven't folded it yet. You want to take this center fold score line to this center fold score line again and match it up. Take your bone folder, your fingers, and crease. Okay? That will make your X. Now if you'll notice, your X doesn't go from corner to corner. There's a reason for that. It won't work if it does. So do as I say. Get your little bone folder or your scissors out. Take this score line, bring it here. Then take this score line and bring it here. Now, you have your X, and the only thing that you need to fold then is right here. Just crease it to the center, crease it to the center, bring it here. There's your mechanism. It's really quite simple. And this was brilliant because I have some other even dies that use. I know that Anna Griffin has dies out there for pop and twist cards. You don't need them. You know, you can do this yourself, and all with one piece, not with two different pieces. Okay, so what we want to do then is take this, and you will have a card. This happens to be a 6x6. Find the center, mark it, put tape or glue on this side only, and match that point up to that center point. Bring it down just a smidge because you want to have room to fold it. You don't want to cramp it, so just bring it down just a smidge. Take it and press it down real good. Okay, so then you'll have that side is already on there. Bring this side back. Take your glue or your, I like double-sided tape on this, and it will already have been attached, so you don't have to worry about anything but folding this side over and pressing it down. So now you have your card. You have your card and your mechanism on your base. Now all you need to do is decorate. So this was very simple. Maymay has a PDF for the mittens. This is just a 3x3 piece of paper, and I cut it by eye. I didn't use the PDF. Make sure that your thumbs are right and left. You don't have two right and left. Your thumbs will both stick up, okay? So when you're putting this on here, let me show you there. When you're putting your little saying and your mittens, if you notice, it doesn't stick on this side, and this one doesn't stick on that side. Only sticks on the top, and this one sticks on the bottom. So you just take your glue or double-sided tape. I used both in this case. Put it on the top, mark it so that you know. And then about an inch in. Just dry set it with your, see where you want to put your mittens on there so you'll know exactly. So only on the top part here and the bottom part there, and that will create the twist. And then this was a 3/4 inch strip of paper by 4, and then I took a couple 3/4 inch and I put you know, little fishtails on the bottom of those, put a little face on it with an orange nose, eyes, and eyebrows, and there you have the cutest snowman ever. So there you go. This is your project for today. I want to see them all done. This is your homework. Okay, and go by Maymay Made It and check out her tutorial as well. And you have a great day. Get your stuff done. Bye.